everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a quick, easy, and delicious heart-healthy dish, lentils and rice. Lentils are legumes which are cousins to beans. They're packed with a lot of nutrients, low in fat and high in fiber, all which can help manage cholesterol. And they're an inexpensive source of protein. Lentils can be used in soups, salads, and they can be used as a side or main dish. They cook quickly, and the best part is you don't have to soak them. I'm going to serve the lentils and rice with a side of roasted broccoli. Then I'll add some fruit and dairy for a balanced meal. So let's get started. Now before cooking, place the lentils in a strainer and sort through them, making sure to remove any small stones and debris. Then rinse well. Next, add 3 cups of water, 1 cup of vegetable broth, and bring to a boil. Add the lentils and let them boil uncovered over medium heat for about 10 minutes. While the lentils are cooking, heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small pan. Then saute some diced onions, bell pepper, celery, and garlic. Once they're soft and the onions become translucent, add the cumin and cook for 1 minute. Now that the lentils have boiled for 10 minutes, it's time to add the rice, the sauteed vegetables, a little salt, some no salt Cajun seasoning, and a little black pepper. Give it a good stir, then cover with the lid. Turn the heat to low. Cook for 15 minutes with the lid on top or until all the water has absorbed. Only stir once or twice during the cooking process. When it's done cooking, remove the pot from the heat and let it sit covered for about 1 minute. I'm going to serve my lentils and rice with a side of roasted broccoli. To roast the broccoli, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To prepare the broccoli, rinse and dry the head, then cut the florets from the stalk. Don't toss the stalk. You want to peel it and cut into pieces of about 1/4 inch. Now you're going to add the olive oil to the broccoli pieces. Spread the pieces out on a baking sheet and then sprinkle with a little salt and black pepper. Pop them in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes or until the broccoli is tender and lightly browned. To complete this meal, I have some canned peaches in its own juice and a serving of cottage cheese. There you go, a delicious heart-healthy meal made with just a few ingredients, and it only took minutes to prepare. Any leftover lentils and rice can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for 3 to 5 days or 2 to 3 months in the freezer. These recipes can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. For more recipes, follow us on Pinterest and Instagram. You got this. Let's build a healthy meal.